quick demo.
Accel-BI turns MS Office into an executive reporting tool.
You can use accel-BI to create data-enabled PowerPoint presentations, Excel spreadsheets and MS Word documents. Data can be pulled from any JDBC or ODBC compliant databases such as Oracle, SQL Server, DB2. Using accel-BI, you can even connect to SharePoint and pull lists.
Creating data-enabled PowerPoint presentations using various objects, formats and formulas.
This tutorial explains how to create a simple data-enabled PowerPoint presentation, by attaching data objects such as tables, text fields, shapes, graphs and by using formats and formulas. After you install accel-BI for MS Office, you should see accel-BI menu in the ribbon.
Click the accel-BI menu in the ribbon. Accel-BI provides a wizard to walk you through the process of creating data-enabled PowerPoint presentation.
To use this option, click on the wizard icon.
This will display the wizard window.
To attach data objects to PowerPoint objects, let us insert a PowerPoint table. At the main menu, click on the Insert menu and click on the table icon, to create a table as per your needs.
You can add a text box to create a title. Note that, you can create dynamic titles based on a data columns, which is discussed in the advanced tutorials.
Next, you can add a rectangular shape to insert an average value. Note that, the average value updates dynamically based on the report.
Go to accel-BI menu in the ribbon and click Add Slide button, to create a new slide where you can insert a chart.
To insert a chart, click Chart button from Insert menu and select the type of chart that you want.
This chart object can be designed as per your requirement.
In the Welcome tab, click on the Continue button.
This brings us to the Options table.
Here, you have the option to specify if you like to create single or multiple files, based on a driving data set. For example, you may want to create quarterly sales report, one report per country. In this case, you need to choose multiple files option.
In this tutorial, let us use the single file option.
Similarly, you can create single or multiple slides based on a driving data set. In this tutorial, let us use the single slide option.
Next, click on Continue button.
This takes us to the next tab, which is Build Reports table.
Here, you can connect to databases or files and pull the data. In this tab, you will also attach data objects to PowerPoint objects such as tables, text fields, shapes, graphs. Accel-BI provides two options to connect to databases: System DSN, which uses ODBC, and out-of-box drivers, which uses JDBC.
This tutorial assumes you have an Oracle database. Click on Out-of-Box Driver Radio button.
Choose an existing connection from the list. You can edit the existing connection.
After editing all the details, test the connection and click on the Save button.
Click on the Execute button.
Now, list of tables are displayed from the chosen database.
Choose the required table. You can choose by double-clicking or by dragging and dropping a table.
This displays the filter pop-up.
If you need to apply any filters, you may do so now.
Once done, click on the Apply button.
Now, data is displayed from the table. Note that, this action creates a data script as well. Accel-BI provides a default name for this data script, which you can rename as well.
Now, you can attach a data object to this PowerPoint table.
To do so, click on a table cell, typically the first cell in a column, and click on the data column and click on the Insert Data icon.
Repeat this step to attach more data columns.
Here, let us see how to find values using formulas. To find some value, first select the cells as per the need and then choose Insert Formula from accel-BI menu. Formula window appears, choose Sum option and the selected cells are reflected in the cell address. Note that, the cursor has to be placed in the cell where we want the sum value has to be displayed and click Save button.
To find percentage value, choose percentage option and capture the range of cells for both numerator and denominator, then type the column title and the cursor has to be placed in the cell where we want the percentage value has to be displayed and click Save button.
To find the average value, capture the range of cells and place the cursor in the rectangular shape which has been created already and click Save button.
To find rank, select the column name from the list and place the cursor in the cell where you want the rank to be displayed. Then, click Save button.
To insert sequence number, type the column name and place the cursor in the cell where we want the sequence number to be displayed and click Save button.
In order to format the date, insert a new column by clicking Insert Column Right from accel-BI menu on the ribbon. Place the cursor in a table cell, click on the data column and click Insert Data icon. To format the dynamic data, click on the Format icon in accel-BI ribbon. Click on the column you like to format. In this example, for number format, click on the Commission column and click on the Save button.
Similarly, for currency format, click on the Sales Amount column, and click on the Save button. For date format, select Sales Date column and click Save.
For percentage format, select Percentage column and click Save button.
To map data to the chart or graph, select the Properties option from accel-BI menu on the ribbon. In the Object Properties window, map the corresponding data to X-axis and Y-axis.
Then select the chart object and save.
We are ready to preview the report we just created. To do so, click on the Preview button.
Now, accel-BI generates the PowerPoint presentation by pulling the data from the database dynamically.
Once this process is completed, open the file.
You will see the PowerPoint table, shape and graph are populated with data pulled from the database, based on the given formulas and formats.
The chart can be designed as per the user needs.
Similarly, the template can also be designed as per the user's requirement.
Once the template is designed, click on the Preview button.
Designs are updated successfully. You may add labels also.
Finally, use the Run icon from the accel-BI ribbon to generate the PowerPoint file.
This concludes the demo. For more information, visit our gallery.
We hope you enjoyed this demo. For further details, please contact